Hey guys, this is Ken here, Ken Sherry and Blessed Farm. I'm headed out here to the pickup point for Zycon Fresh. I'll show you here in a minute what we're up to. We've got to head over here to the church to pick up the boneless, skinless breast meat. There it is right there, guys. Zycon Fresh. Here it is, guys. We drove in the entrance. They loaded it up for us in the truck. And we got our chicken breast. Here, 40 pounds of boneless, skinless breast fillets. We're gonna go home and package it up, put it in the freezer, and we'll be good to go. It cost us $42 for 40 pounds. So there it was, guys. Like I said, you know, we showed up at the church over here, and they had a big old truck, refrigerator truck sitting out here. We gave them our name, and they went and saw the cases that we had bought. They were $38 for the case, and after tax, it came to $42.40. So just slightly over $1 a pound for boneless, skinless breast meat, chicken breast meat. Hey, I know we raise a lot of our chickens and process our own. I said, but you know, for that price, we couldn't beat it. This is one chicken breast. This is one whole chicken. Here's the rest of it. Here's the way it comes. To put them in the bags and seal them up. So for us, that was a great deal, you know. So slightly over $1 a pound. I mean, after taxes, but we couldn't beat that, you know. And I'll take it home and we'll put it in sealed bags, you know, and use our sealer, seal it up, put one per family member in a bag, and then a couple, like, you know, we'll put them extra in case we have company over and that kind of thing. But they're a really good size breast. When we get them out at home, I'll show you the size of them, of each breast, and good meals for all of us, you know. So we put 5 per bag and feed the family, and have a few bag extras with, you know, just a few in it, so we can break 1 or 2 out at a time. And there you go, quick and easy meals. You know, marinate them and throw them on the grill, throw them on the George Foreman grill, wherever we want to, or in the house grill. So that's how we're going to do it. Couldn't pass it up, like I said, even though we raise our own. That was just a really good deal, you know, less work. We rolled in, they had a big entrance sign with a big truck, and told them our name. They loaded it in the truck for us, and I drove off. So, you know, less than 5 minutes, and I had the cases of chicken in the truck and on the way home. So check them out if you'd like to. It's Zycon Fresh. A lot of good deals. I'm not trying to endorse them or anything, but for us, that was a good deal for the chicken. We get our beef here locally, so it's, you know, cheaper for us to do it that way. But check it out. If you like, give them a try, and they got a lot of good discounts and things. And so check them out and let us know what you think. Hey man, this is Kent here at Blessed Farm. So you can see us here, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll link up there at the top on how we process chickens on our farm. But subscribe and like, and Glad to hear any of your comments or suggestions. Talk to y'all real soon, man. Y'all live well, and of course and always, God bless.